Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper trending on X, published on November 28, 2025, about 4 days ago. It shows that a single open 8 billion parameter model can evolve programs at test time to match or beat previous best bounds on tough math problems, including a new circle packing record for n equals 26 with objective 2.6359857, surpassing the prior 2.63586,276 and finding that solution in about 3 seconds instead of 75 seconds. The paper is titled ThetaEvolve, Test Time Learning on Open Problems. And as we will see later, the implications for how models learn during inference are quite significant. Also, the authors shared a full GitHub repo for ThetaEvolve. You'll find the core Python package, Docker setup, and scripts for running both test-time RL training and inference via run.sh, plus task examples from OpenEvolve. There are ready-made configs, tests, and visualization tools with results folders to inspect circle packing and other tasks. Alright. Figure 1 contrasts 3 ways of evolving programs. The top row shows ThetaEvolve using a complex prompt builder, a program database, and an ensemble of large language models in a dynamic environment. The middle row shows a more traditional reinforcement learning setup that trains on a fixed static dataset, so the verifier never changes. The bottom row introduces ThetaEvolve, which replaces the ensemble with a single trained large language model, adds batch sampling in a large program database, and supports optional reinforcement learning in a fully dynamic environment. Table 2 presents the main numerical results for the 4 optimization tasks across the 2 models. The overview shows that reinforcement learning almost always improves both the mean and best scores compared with pure inference, which means the model really learns better search strategies at test time. For circle packing, the 8 billion parameter model reaches about 2.636, clearly beating the ThetaEvolve record. The smaller ProRL model also gains a lot from reinforcement learning, especially on the third autocorrelation inequality and Hadamard matrix tasks. So, Table 2 contrasted scores. Figure 2 now shows what those solutions actually look like. The top row for circle packing illustrates that reinforcement learning gradually rearranges the disks into a very tight, highly regular layout, even though the intermediate and final scores are numerically close. The lower plots compare functions for the autocorrelation inequality tasks, contrasting reinforcement learning in orange with pure inference in green. Distilquen 38 billion produces much more intricate, sharply oscillating functions, which signals that reinforcement learning drives the model toward richer, less trivial constructions than ProRL 1.5 billion. Well, Figure 3 turns those visual intuitions into learning curves. The panels show that reinforcement learning, in orange, climbs to better scores much faster than pure inference, both for circle packing and the Hadamard matrix task, while it drives the third autocorrelation inequality lower. Loading the checkpoint trained on circle packing, shown in green, already improves performance on these other problems, which means the model transfers its evolved search strategy across tasks. Alright, Figure 5 digs into why large databases matter for this evolution process. The 4 panels show that as the number of generated programs grows, larger populations of stored programs consistently reach higher best scores than medium or small ones. This effect is especially strong for circle packing, where the large database keeps improving while the small database plateaus. The Hadamard matrix panels tell the same story, though with slightly smaller absolute gains. So while Figure 5 highlighted the benefits of larger program databases, Table 6 shifts focus to raw speed. Table 6 shows that OpenEvolve needs about 64 hours for the circle packing run, whereas ThetaEvolve without reinforcement learning finishes in roughly 5 hours. Both pipelines generate the same 205,000 new programs over 400 inference steps. These numbers mean the ThetaEvolve design, especially batch sampling, gives an order of magnitude higher throughput for the same hardware budget. ThetaEvolve shows that a single open 8 billion parameter model, plus a large program database and test time reinforcement learning, can match or beat closed ensembles on tough optimization problems while running far faster. More broadly, it hints that models can keep learning new search skills during inference itself. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.